that demand will.
Ministry ya Githomo riu nirekereirie mieke ya arutwo aria machaguritwo guthomera kothi ngurani thukuru-ini cia university na TVET mwaka uyu. Kuringana na Minister wa Githomo Julius Ogamba, ruhonge rwa ugai wa mieke ya university ruheanite mieke 310 na 505 ya university na TVET na banene ARIA arutwo a mwaka wa 2024 makirumirirwo ni arutwo a miaka ya hau kabere aria mahitukirirwo ni mweke uyu.
Of the 244,563 students who qualified for degree programs in 2024, 201,695, which is 83%, applied for placement to various levels.
University cia muingi ciamukirite gicunjĩ kia 90 kia arutwo othe aria megwatiire grade ya C+ guthii na iguru mwaka muhituku. Aya ari arutwo 162 252 riri arutwo 17,873 machagurite kuingira thiini wa university cia andu kiumbe na arutwo 93,207 nao makiheo mieke thukuru-ini cia TVET.
I encourage those who have not applied to do so and apply for programs in our universities, including the Open University and our tertiary institutions whose intake is continuous. For example, you could apply to KMTC, whose intake comes this September and it is ongoing.
Hamwe na kothi iria cigucĩrĩirie namba nene ya arutwo ni kothi ya medicine, nursing, engineering na teaching. Thirikari ikiuga marihi ma imwe cia kothi ici ni mathurimitwo na gucokio thi na gicunjĩ kia 40 harĩ igana.
The highest decrease in terms of rationalization of the fees is in the area of medicine, because that was the highest figure that was there.
Arutwo 52,725 nio maraikitie ihoya kuingira thukuru-ini cia KMTC ukiringithania na mieke 34,488 iria riho. Kothi iria iragucĩrĩirie arutwo aingĩ ari kothi ya nursing ikigucĩrĩria arutwo 27,070 ukiringithania na mieke 2,986 iria riho.
Programs like medicine take a lot to train, so the slots are that much lower. Programs like nursing are controlled by the Nursing Council, so there is a limitation of the number that we can take, although the interest is slightly higher.
Thutha wa maumirira maya, arutwo ni moritio kwambiriria gwikia ihoya ria kwamukira ngombo na scholarship. Ministry ya Githomo ikiuga ni gacĩrithitie makiria mitaratara ya uria arutwo megukorwo magithurimwo niguo kwamukira kigina giki.
So what has happened is we are trying as much as possible to ensure the information we are capturing places the students as close as possible to their means of income. But what is important to note is that even as you apply, should you feel you are not placed in the right place or you are being asked to pay something that you think is higher than you should, there is a portal for you to appeal and that assessment will be done.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, Jitagwo Gina, Wawaduro.
Thank you very much also, for your